Hello students. Now we will read the lesson 5 Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. This is the lesson of class 10th Geography book Maharashtra board. This video is made for the students who want to read the book by listening. So let's start. Lesson 5 Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. You can see some pictures are given here. Figure 5.5 sorry 5.1 Flora and Fauna of Brazil. A cactus plant is there, some other plants are also there. This is another plant having some fruits. These are some trees. A bird is there, a leopard is there, a big snake, anaconda is there. So let's read what is written about this. Observe the images shown in figure 5.1 and discuss on the basis of the following points. Can you tell the names of the plants or trees shown in the images? Where have you seen these plants before? Name the fauna shown in the image. Where have you seen them before? You might have recognized the species shown above and discussed them because there is similarity between them and many Indian species, but these species are found in Brazil. Look for their names. How we will study about the variety of flora and fauna in Brazil. In figure 5.2, rainfall, flora and fauna of Brazil have been shown in the cross profile along with physiography. Let's see the figure. Figure 5.2 Physiography, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In last chapter also we have seen a figure like this. Here equator is there and 5 degree 11 minute north is left side towards it and right side 25 degree 24 minutes south. So towards north Guyana highlands are there. Here we can see various types of apes are found, reptiles, uh, arboreal and aquatic animals are there near the equator. And forest, tropical forests are there near equator, equatorial forests are there. Then when we move towards south, Parana Basin, grassland animals are there, deciduous forests are there. Then we further move towards south, Brazil highlands, reptiles and grassland animals will be found, and temperate forests will also be found. Here coastal plains are there in small areas. Let's read the text further. The change occurring in the above elements while going from north to south is clearly seen here. Discuss about these in the class and write a note about it. Graphical explanation. Brazil vegetation. In Brazil, rainfall varies due to physiography. In most parts of the equatorial region, it rains throughout the year. As one moves away from the equator, the number of rainy days as well as amount of rainfall reduces. This affects the life cycle of the vegetation too. Evergreen forests are found in the area where it rains throughout the year. In regions which receive rainfall only during certain seasons, the density of the vegetation reduces. Instead of forests, various types of grasses, short shrubs, thorny vegetation, etc. are found. Brazil has the largest number of vegetation species in the world. This includes evergreen vegetation, semi-evergreen, arid, etc. One finds trees like pau Brazil, rubber, mahogany, rosewood, and a variety of orchids. Because of the evergreen rainforests in Brazil, there is a large amount of oxygen that is released in the environment. This helps to reduce carbon dioxide levels. Therefore, these rainforests are rightly called the lungs of the world. India vegetation. Answer the following questions on the basis of figure 5.3. See figure 5.3. This is a map of India in which different color shades are given. Dark green for evergreen forest. See where are the dark green. Then light green deciduous forests are there. Grey thorny shrubs. White Himalayan forests. See in the Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, cold desert are there, white in white color. Then coastal forest in blue color. See in the eastern Ghats at some areas and in western Ghats also. See which forests are found in western snow-capped regions. On which coast do you mainly find the coastal vegetation? Which type of forests occupy maximum area in India? Why? Why do you find thorny and shrub vegetation and why? Graphical explanation. Following types of forests are found in India in regions which receive more than 2000 mm of rainfall on an average, along with abundant sunlight. Evergreen forests are found. The leaves of the trees in these forests are broad and green. The trees have hardwood, heavy and durable. Example mahogany, rosewood, rubber, etc. Also, there are various types of creepers found here. Highest biodiversity is found in these forests. In regions receiving rainfall between 1000 mm to 2000 mm in India, deciduous, deciduous forests are found. In dry seasons, trees shed their leaves so that water is not lost due to evaporation. For example, teak, bamboo, banyan, peepal, etc. are the trees found in these forests. Regions that receive less than 500 mm of rainfall and experience dry summers for a long period in India. Thorny and shrub type vegetation is found. The leaves are small in size. For example, cachu, acacia, khejadi, and varieties of cactus like aloe vera and agave. In swampy areas, estuaries, and lagoons near coastal areas having saline soils and moist climate, coastal type of vegetation is found. They are called mangroves or sundarbans in India. The wood of these trees is oily, light, and durable. In Indian Himalayas, three types of forests are found according to the altitude. In areas located at the highest altitude, seasonally flowering trees are found. In regions with medium altitude, coniferous trees like pine, deodar, fir, and at foothills, mixed forests are found. This includes both coniferous and deciduous types of forests. Here, the proportion of salt trees is higher. Brazil wildlife. On the basis of figure 5.4, answer the following question. See figure 5.4. This is the map of Brazil showing different shades for equatorial forests, dark green, light green tropical grasslands, swampy lands here, then hot deciduous forest, this very light green, this one, savanna, then yellow thorny shrubs, this one, Caatinga, San Francisco are. Then temperate grasslands. These pampas, pampas grasslands. Okay, let's see. Brazil wildlife on the basis of figure 5.4 answer the following questions. Name the species name the species shown on the map. Condor, anaconda, golden lion, tamarin, macaw, etc. See, some animals are also shown in the map. See, here is a bird, another bird is there, then snake, squirrel, another birds, crocodile, this is another snake, then bird, then this is another bird, a fish is there. Okay. Then in which regions are these animals found? Why are their habitats found in these forests? Classify the forest regions with reference to their extent. Colors of both. In which country do equatorial forests occupy a greater area? What could be the reason behind it? Which type of forests found in India are not found in Brazil? Which type of forests found in Brazil are found in India too? In which country a greater diversity of vegetation is found? What is the reason behind it? Considering the climate and vegetation types, in which country will forest based occupations flourish? Graphical explanation. The greater diversity in wildlife is found in Brazil than any other country in the world. In swampy areas of the Pantanal, huge anacondas are found. In Brazil, guinea pigs, crocodiles, alligators, monkeys, pumas, leopards, etc. are found. Among the fish varieties, mainly swordfish are found in the seas, while pink dolphins and piranhas are found in the rivers. Condors, which are huge in size and fly high in the sky, various types of parrots, macaws, and flamingos are the major birds found here. Millions of insect varieties are also found here. As a result of these varieties, the wildlife of Brazil is very rich and diverse. Degradation of environment is happening due to illegal smuggling of wild animals. Slash and burn agriculture, roca, deforestation, pollution, etc. Brazil is facing these problems today. Many endemic species are on the verge of getting extinct because of these issues. Do you know the survey done in 2016 has found that approximately 5,831 square kilometers of land under forests in Brazil had already degraded in that year. Try this. India wildlife. Show the following animals in outline map of India in figure 5.5. This is the figure 5.5 blank figure, blank map. This is map of India in which you have to highlight, you have to outline according to their habits. Answer the following questions. Bengal tiger, Great Indian bustard, olive ridley turtles, one horned rhinos, Nilgiri Thar goat, lion, Gangetic dolphin, swamp deer, crocodiles, gharials, alligators. Correlate geographical conditions and the flora and fauna there. Do you know some other animals too? Show the habitats of tigers in India with their names on a map. Why is their habitat found in these regions? Geographical explanation. India is also a mega diverse country in terms of wildlife. There are many species of wildlife in India. Elephants are found in hot and humid forests. One honored rhinoceroses are found in swampy and marshy lands of Assam. Wild ass and camels are found in arid lands. Snow leopards and yaks are found in the snow-capped regions of Himalayas. Indian bisons, deer, antelopes, and monkeys are found in the peninsular region. India is the only country in the world where both tigers and lions are found. Rivers, estuaries, and coastal areas are homes of many turtles, crocodiles, and gharials. The forest and wastelands are the shelters of variety of birds like peacock, Indian bustard, kingfishers, pheasants, ducks, parakeets, cranes, and pigeons. All these species make it a land of unique habitat of wildlife. Many species of wildlife are on the verge of extinction from India because of poaching, pollution, and rapidly occurring deforestation. And example, cheetahs. The government of India has set up number of national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves for the protection of wildlife and forests in India. Give it a try. Tiger is the national animal of India. The number of tigers is decreasing day by day. The situation is similar to elephants. Find information about such plants and animals. Find about their habitats. What should be done to conserve these animals? In which regions can this be done? Make a presentation of their possible places. Use your brain power. Find out in which parts of India is agriculture practiced like the roca found in India. By what names are they called? So this is the end of lesson. Exercises we will do in another session. Thank you for listening. If like the video, click on like button, share with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get updates on similar videos when comes. Thank you and happy learning.